Welcome to Movement with Purpose. My name is Barb Eisenberg. I'm a physical therapist assistant and also a licensed massage therapist. I work with a team at Therapy at Home where our passion is to inspire seniors like you to live happier, healthier lives so that you can age successfully and independently with a positive attitude. So together we can create possibilities as we get older and better. We're all getting older, but we can still get better. So today, this exercise program is designed for folks that might have limited mobility, they may have challenges with balance, or they may have cognitive issues such as dementia. So all of these exercises are done in a seated position. Make sure you have a chair ready for when we get started. They're all safe to do, and you should get a good benefit from them. It'll take about 21 minutes. But remember, if you have not been exercising, you don't have a regular program, make sure you check with your healthcare provider before you start an exercise program. Then, if you get started and you start feeling any symptoms like chest pain, shortness of breath, dizziness or lightheadedness, make sure you stop and get checked out and make sure you're okay. This is Parkinson's Disease Awareness Month, so we're going to throw in a few exercises that are focused on helping people with Parkinson's improve their posture and increase the bigness of their effort, bigger movements. Parkinson's disease, one of the symptoms is that your movements get smaller and smaller, and some of these exercises will help combat some of those symptoms. So let's get started, and we always start with a warm-up. We're going to warm up by marching, one knee up and the other knee up. Up and up, up and up. Warming up. If you want to add your arms, you can swing your arms. We're marching, so we're loosening up the hips and the knees. Mostly the hips right here. Get your shoulders moving with the arm swings. And you can do a couple kicks. Kick and kick. Gentle kicks. We're still warming up. Kick and kick. Good work. You can keep swinging the arms. Nice deep breath. You want to get the oxygen flowing into those muscles. We're trying to increase the heart rate a little bit to pump that blood. When you activate your muscles, you're helping pump the blood back to your heart. All right, now we're changing it up. We're going to go one knee out to the side and out to the side. One knee out and in, out and in, out and in, out and in. Other side, out and in, out and in, out and in. You can even reach. Just get your arms moving too. Out and in, out and in. We're just warming up. Let's switch to the other side. Out and in. Reaching out. 4, other side. Out and in, out and in, out and out. Deep breath. And blow it out. Now we'll start one of the Parkinson's exercises. So you can follow my movements. We're going to be reaching in all different directions. So reaching out big, way out in front. Lengthen your fingers, spread your fingers wide. Then reach down big. You don't have to touch the ground if you don't want to. And then reach up big as high as you can. And then reach out wide, fingers wide, arms wide, shoulders wide. And then we hold it here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Finish with a big slap. You made it. Let's do it again. Out big, down big. Reaching way up big. Lengthen, and out to the side big for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Finish big. Good job. Reaching out big, reaching down big, reaching way up big as high as you can, and out big for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and finish big. Out big and down big and up big and out big for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you finish big. Don't forget the slap. Out big, down big, up big, out big. Hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Finish big. Out big, down big, way up big, and way out big for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Finish big. Reaching out big, reaching down big, reaching up big, and out big for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Finish big. Reaching out big, reaching down big, reaching up big, and out big for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Finish big. Good work. Take a nice deep breath. Blow it out. Nice job. Now we're just going to do some rowing. So you're going to reach out and pull back. So elbows are bent. Reach out, pull back, reach out, pull it back. Out, pull back, out, pull back. Now one. Out and back. Really stretching out and pulling back. Pulling back, you're using your shoulders, you're using your back a little bit. So lengthen and pull back. Other side. Reaching out, pulling back, reach out, pull back, reach out, and reach out. 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Now let's go arms straight out to the side, and we're going to fly like a bird. Tip to the side, come back to center, arms straight out, tip to the side, back to center. We're working the core. Fly like a bird. Back to center. We're really soaring. We're not flapping our wings. We're just soaring like a bird. Back to center. Side. Back to center. So we're really working around the core here. Side. Arms are straight. If this is too difficult, you can put your hands on your shoulder. Back to center. Tip to the side. Back to center. We're really loading up the core. Loading up the abdominal muscles. Back to center. Side. Back to center. Side. Back to center. Side. Back to center. Keep it going. A few more. Back to center. Side. Back to center. Good job. Doing a little more core work. We're going to go one elbow toward the opposite knee. So lift up the knee, try to touch the elbow, and open wide. Elbow out, across, touch the knee, or come close. You don't have to touch. You can just come to here. Just the idea. Across with the elbow, lifting the knee. Across and out, across and out. Good job. Out and back. Going across and back. Across. One more. Other elbow. Out to the side, going across, going toward that opposite knee. Across and across. Really working around the middle. And open wide. Across toward that opposite knee. Still sitting tall. We're not hunching our backs. Open wide. 2 more. Open wide. Last one. Open wide. Good job. We're going on to the calf muscles. So lift up your heels and then lower them down. Up with the heels, down, up and up. 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 more. 8, a little faster. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we're going to lift the toes. So we'll look in the front of the shin. So lift the toes as high as you can. Up with the toes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 more. 8, 7, lift those toes. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now let's go back and forth. So lift the heels and lift the toes. Heels up, toes up. Heels up, toes up. Heels up, toes up. One more. Heels up and toes up. Good job. Might start feeling a little tiredness in those calves. That's perfectly normal. It just means your muscles are working. Knee is straight out in front, toe is pointing up, and we're going to make a circle with the ankle. Working that ankle joint, moving that synovial fluid around to lubricate the joint, and circle the other way. Keep circling. And we're going to switch in a minute. Really circle and relax. Other foot straight out in front, knee is straight, toes pointing up, and circle in one direction. Try to make the circle bigger and bigger, but don't move the leg around. Just the foot. Just the foot. And turn and circle the other direction. Trying to make the circle bigger and bigger. Bigger. Couple more times. Good job. We're going on to the quad muscles and to strengthen that muscle around your knees if you have any knee problems. So you're going to kick out straight. One leg. Kick and kick. Kick and kick. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Other leg. Kick and kick, kick. We're really going for power. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 more. 8, 7. Kick hard. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Let's go for 4. 3, 2, and 1. Other side. 4, 3, 2, and 1. 2, 1, and 2. Other side for 2. Now hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Other side. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Might feel some tiredness in here. Those are some of the largest muscles in your body. They can take a lot of work. All right, we're going back to shoulders. We're going to push out to the front. This time, pushing with your elbows. So elbows are bent, and pushing out like you're pushing a heavy object, then pushing up, then pushing out to the side, and pushing down, all different directions. Pushing out, pushing up, pushing out, pushing down. Good work. Pushing out, pushing way up, pushing out, pushing down. Good work. Keep going. Push and push up, push out and push down. Push out and up and out to the side and down. One more time. Pushing out, pushing up, pushing out to the side, pushing down. Shake it out and roll the shoulders a little bit. Nice job. Now we're going to reach up with one hand, really lengthen, and then over, and then bring it down. Reaching up, reaching over, out and down, up, reach a little higher, really lengthen. You should feel it in your ribs. And then over and bring it down, reaching up, reach a little higher, over and bring it down. Keep it going, up and over, out and down, reaching up, reaching over, out and down, up, over, out and down, up, over. Try to reach a little farther, up and down, up and over. Really lengthen, up and down. 2 more, up, over, up and down. 1 more, up and over, up and down. Good work. Roll it out. Another one for Parkinson's. So reach your arms out nice and wide. Knees are nice and wide. You have a nice big posture. Shoulders are back. Arms are wide. We're going to take one hand and bring it across, sweep it across and clap. Then open your arms wide and reach across and clap. Other side. Open wide. Clap. Open wide. Clap. You're not clapping in the middle. This is not what we're looking for. It's a twist and a clap. Open wide and twist and clap. Open wide. Clap. Elbows are straight this time. Really working the waist, working the shoulders. Open wide and clap. Open wide. Good work. Clap. Open wide. Clap. Open wide. Keep it going. A few more times. Clap and open. Clap and open. Hands on your knees. Let's just stretch out the back a little bit. So bend forward, elbows up. Breathe out. And come up. Open up the chest. Hands on your elbows, elbows up. Coming forward. Stretch out your shoulders. Open wide. 1 more. Elbows up. And come up. Open wide. Let's stretch out our legs. So I'm going to turn sideways. Heels up. Toe is pointing up. Heels down. Toe is pointing up. Knee is straight. Coming forward. Bending at the hip joint. Trying to stretch out the whole back of the leg. And take nice deep breaths. In through your nose. And out. In through your nose. And blow it out. Let's switch sides. Just so you can see. Toe is pointing out. Toe is pointing up. Knee is straight. Bending from your hip joint. Not rounding the back. Then you lose most of the stretch. So toe is pointing up. And breathe nice and deep. Another deep breath. Blow it out. Good job. Come on up. And we'll do a couple more of those forward bends. Hands on your knees. Elbows up. Coming forward. And lifting up. Breathe out. Deep breath in. Lower down. Elbows up. And coming up. 1 more. Deep breath in. Bending forward. Elbows up. And come up. Blow it out. Nice job. Let's exercise our fingers and our wrists. So elbows are straight. Hands are straight up. And down with the hands. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. We don't want any muscle to get old, so we have to use them all. Up and down. Up and down. Now let's circle and circle in the other direction. And then make a fist, open wide. Fist, open wide. Keep those fingers limber. Really get that synovial fluid moving in all of your joints. Close and open wide. Open wide, open wide, open wide. All right, shake it out. Let's loosen up the neck joints, the cervical spine here. So turn and look one direction, and turn and look the other direction. Turn and look. Move your eyes as well. Our eyes have muscles, and they also need some exercise. Exercising your eyes and your neck. Turn and look. Back to center. Turn and look. Back to center. Turn. Back to center. One more turn. Back to center. Now let's make a circle. Starting small. And getting bigger. Looking higher and further to every direction. Up and over and down. Up and over and down. Circle the other way. Over and up as high as you can. Over, looking down. And over, looking up. And over, looking down. Good job. Now look straight up, keeping that shoulders back, head up. We don't want you to drop down this way. So shoulders are back, looking up. Really lengthen these muscles here. Then bring your chin down and tuck it. Tuck as tight as you can. And looking up. Really lengthen and tuck it in. Shoulders are back. Good job. We always like to finish with a good pec stretch to open up the chest. So hands behind your head. Elbows in and out, in and out, in and out. Then hold here as far as you can. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In and out, in and out. In and out. Hold it here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In and out. In and out. In and out. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reaching up. Take a deep breath. And blow it out. Reaching up. Deep breath. As high as you can. Blow it out. One more time, reaching up. And blow it out. Let go of any extra tension that you're holding in those muscles. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.